Welcome back, guys. There's a meme going on, 6, 7. I don't get it, but I decided, let me make a card trick about it. So you need a 6 and a 7 at the top of the deck. You've got these two cards at the top. Now you can shuffle it how many ever times you want, just making sure you keep those two cards at the top. So my 6 and my 7 is still at the top. Now what you do is you have to force the top card. So I'll do a riffle force, which you riffle down the side of the deck. Tell me, you ask your spectator to say stop wherever they want. Let's say there's a stop there. You pull out all the cards except that top card, but in full speed it looks something like this. Say stop wherever you want, stop right there, perfect. You pull out that card, you drop it down, you place this back on top. Now you've forced the 6 on them, and now while they're looking at this card, you get a quick pinky break underneath the second card. They look at this card, now you put it in the second position. Well, what you do is you push kind of a block of cards from the middle, so it looks like you're pushing it into the middle, and then you just slip it into second position. You square up the deck. Now you've got your 6 and 7 again at the top, just in different order. Now what you do is you can give it a shuffle again, just making sure you keep those two at the top. And now you can overhand shuffle it. You shuffle 1, 2, but again you don't do it slow motion like that. You go and then you shuffle the rest of the cards. Now you've got those two at the bottom. Now you can riffle shuffle again, just again making sure that you keep that 6 and 7 at the bottom this time. You've got your 6 and your 7 at the bottom. Now you can tell your spectator all you need to do is snap your finger and their card magically jump to the bottom. And they'll say that's not their card. Now what you do is you do a color change, which you push this card forward. See, I pushed it forward with like this portion of your hand. You push it forward just a little bit, like about that much you push it forward. And now you pull the other one back. And as soon as you've got enough, as soon as you've pulled it back enough, you just pop it on top of this one and you push it back, and with the same time with this index finger you push this one back again. You obviously don't show it to them from the bottom, you show it to them from this angle because your hand will be hiding everything, and you give a magic rub and there we go, their card is at the bottom. And that's the 6-7 card trick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.